Enums are enumerations. In Java, it is different, and C, it is different. In Java, they are called cursors. Here, it is a user-defined data type. Enums. Next topic is enums. Next topic is enums. Finished? Yeah, finished. Yeah, Arvind, finished?
Yes.
Yeah, Niharika. Yeah, finished? Niharika?
Yes, sir. Finish.
Yeah, next one, enumerations. Write what is enumerations. Enums are enumerations. Okay, see, we write some notes about enums. Right, see this. First 2 points, right? An enum is a user-defined data type which can create user-defined data type of integer, and these 2 points. And also size is 2 bytes. Write these 2 points. These 3 points. An enum is a user-defined data type of integer. Finished? All of you try to get job in the college zone. Okay, outside very difficult situations are there. Okay, getting job is very difficult after coming outside from the college. Okay, Try to get the job in the college itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And syntax also, this is a syntax. Enums nothing but a, see, structure is a, it is a collection of dissimilar type of data types, and union also dissimilar type of elements. But enum is a user defined data type of integer type. Okay. By using keyword sequence of integer constant values. Example C. I want to develop one calendar application. Example, I want to develop calendar application. I want to write a month. 12 months are there. Okay. I want integer C. Now I want to write January. I want to write like this. January equals to 1. February equals to 2. If you want to write a months, we have to write like this. Into January equals to 1. February equals to 2. Like this, we have to write 12 months. We have to write. That is difficult. Okay. I want, my requirement is what? I want, if I give a January equals to 1, automatically it has to take February is 2 and March equals to 3. I want to take like this. Default it has to take. That's why they created one sequence of numbers they created, that is called enums. Enum, it's a enum is nothing but integers only. Enum ABC I have taken. Enum ABC, see this. Now I want to declare constant. These are the constants. Example, January, February can take. Now I want to take X. X equals to 1. Always write the enum variables are, these are constants. These are constants, guys. Don't write small letters. Try to write a capital letters. Constants in C language we write capital letters. If I write a X equals to, I did not give X and Y and Z. I have given Z, X, Y, Z and W. Okay. Not required semicolon there. Not required semicolon. Now see, guys. Clear skin. First listen. Now I want to print the size. Okay, now I want to print the size. What is the size here? Size equals to percentile D. We can write size of, directly we can write size of enum ABC. Size of enum ABC. That is integer, right? Nothing but a enums are nothing but integers. That's why 2 bytes it occupies. Size is 2. If I declare 4, don't take a 8 bytes. Okay, that's enum is a single data type. It takes 2 bytes. That's all. Okay, I want to print XYZ values. Guys, see, I want to print XYZ values. Not the variable is not required. Okay, in structure, what is required? Structure variable is required. But enum, we can create a variable also. That is also valid. We can write a S as a variable. Without variable also, we can directly access. We can access directly. Okay, percentile D, percentile D, percentile D, and percentile D. All values I want to print X. Okay, Y and Z and W. I want to print X, Y, Z. I did not give any value, right? I did not give any value. Default it takes X is 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear it is? Guys, understood, right? It takes 0, 1. If I give any value, example, if I give X equals to 5, if I give X equals to 5. Now what are the other values? 5, 6, 7, 8. See, guys, values 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I want 5, 6, and here I have given again 1. Now what is the answer now, guys?
5612.
5612. Very good. 5612. Okay, if I give minus 1 also, minus 5 also we can give. If I give minus 1, then what is the answer now? Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. See this. Okay, now I want to see, guys. This is, if I give default is 0. If you are not giving 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want to increment the value. Can I write X plus plus? See, now I am writing X plus plus. Is it valid? Or Y plus plus I want to write. Now compile once. See, error. L value required. Why it is showing L value required error? Okay, now that is a constant X plus plus. If I write 7 plus plus also, see, you know this. If you write 7 plus plus, what is 7 plus plus? 7 plus plus is a constant. See the error? L value required error. Why it is giving L value required error? Constant cannot be incremented. That error has to give, right? That error has to give. What is 7 plus plus exactly? 7 equals to 7 plus 1. See this. 7 equals to 7 plus 1. Already I told you 10 equals to 20. If you write 7 equals to, left side variable is required, right? Left side variable is required. That's why it is giving error. L value required. If I write 7 plus, same error it is showing. L value required. If I write X plus plus also, it is also same error. Okay. What is X plus plus? See this, X plus plus, L value required. Why? Because all are constants. X equals to, we can't change. Can I change the value of X? Okay. Can I means can I increment that value? Can I increment that value? Now I want to write x equals to 20. Is it value? See this? L value required. Why 2 times it is showing error? Can I assign a value here? Can I assign a value? See? We should not assign a value. Why? Because x is a constant. X is a constant. That is also error. X plus plus also error. We should not increment the value, or we should not assign a value. This is error. This is also error. And this is also error. You understood, right, guys? These are the constant values. Constant values. We should not change these values. Okay, guys, write this program. Write this program. Enums. This is constant. These all are constant values. Constants. These all are constants. We can't write a x plus plus is error. Constant cannot be incremented. We can't assign a value. L value required error. Yeah, finished, huh? Yeah. Till now, what are the topics completed? I will tell you guys. Is this finished? See. What are the topics completed? Introduction of C programming completed. One by one. Introduction completed. Yeah. Sai Nikita, what did you discuss next?
So,
Basics
data
completed, right?
types.
Basics. Printf and scanf we discussed. Printf, scanf. Yeah, data types. Next. Operators we discussed. What are the
Yes.
operators? 8 types of operators we discussed. Okay, arithmetic, reason, right? Relational, 8 types of operators discussed. After that, control statements we discussed.
Control statements.
Control statement. You know what are the control statements? Conditional statements, right?
Yes.
Conditional, unconditional, multi-branching statements, multi-branching, and loops we discussed. Okay, after that, pointers we discussed.
That is your point.
Pointers. After that, arrays. After that, strings. Now, structures completed, right? Unions completed, and the enums completed. Okay, what are the other topics left? Okay, what are the other topics? Functions. This has to cover functions, storage classes, command line arguments, pre-processing, and files. These 5 topics has to cover. These are the 5 topics. Okay, now
Yes.
these 5 topics has to discuss. Tomorrow we start functions, storage classes. Okay, functions and storage classes we discuss. Tomorrow functions I will cover. Functions. After that, storage classes. In another 4 days, I will finish C programming. After that, I will start data structures. Okay. Before that, you finish whatever the topics you did not attend. take the videos, we give you, if you miss any classes, I told you, right? If you miss any classes, they will send one link. They will one send, they already they have sent a mail, you can check it from Suntech Corp Solutions. Okay, if you miss any topics, what are the topics you missed, send those topics. They will, or which days you missed. Okay, that date, if you send that day class, they will send to you, they will share that link, you can see that links. Okay, finished now. Yeah, if you are missing any, if you miss any classes, I will give you that number. You call to that number, you ask for which topic you missed, or which day you missed. If you miss, what are the days you missed, I will give you that number, guys. See, I will give you that number. You can ask for that number, those classes, which are the classes you missed. You call to that number and you can ask 8977 11 366. Okay, you call to this number, and which classes you missed or which day you missed, you tell her, she will provide the link. Okay, these are the classes completed, Okay, tomorrow we'll cover these all the topics, remaining topics. We'll start function storage classes, command line arguments, and pre-processing and files. Other 5 topics left. Okay, clear? Yeah, thanks to all.
Yes, sir.
We can leave. And Vandana,